Israel vows painful retaliation after Iran launches more than 500 missiles. Iran is reported to have launched nearly 500 missiles towards Israel. Israel has stated that Iran made a grave mistake and vowed painful retaliation. The Jerusalem Post, citing informed sources, reported that Iran launched a total of nearly 500 missiles targeting Israel during an attack on the evening of October 1. Previously, Israel had estimated this number to be only about 180 missiles. According to Mehr news agency, Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps (IRGC) announced that they targeted 3 Israeli military bases around Tel Aviv in the missile launch on October 1. Iran has yet to confirm or deny the scale of the attack. Meanwhile, the U.S. Department of Defense assessed that the scale of the attack was double that of Iran's missile strike back in April. On April 14, Iran launched over 300 missiles and drones at Israel in response to Israel's alleged attack on Iran's consulate building in Damascus, Syria, which resulted in the deaths of several senior officers of the IRGC. The U.S. Department of Defense also confirmed that Iran had not given prior notice of the missile launch. Instead, U.S. intelligence uncovered Tehran's plan and warned Israel. Pentagon spokesperson Patrick Ryder said their destroyers deployed in the Middle East launched more than 10 intercept missiles during the Iranian attack. Additionally, several other partners also helped Israel intercept Iran's missiles, although the identities of these partners have not been disclosed. Israel vows painful retaliation. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu said that Iran had made a grave mistake and would pay the price for launching a missile attack on his country. Tonight, Iran attacked Israel again with hundreds of missiles. This attack failed. It was stopped thanks to Israel's air defense system, the most advanced in the world, Netanyahu emphasized. He added, "We will adhere to the established rule: whoever attacks us, we will strike back." He also thanked the efforts of the Israel Defense Forces, IDF, and the U.S. for helping to thwart the attack. Israeli Foreign Minister Israel Katz stressed that Iran's attack had crossed a red line, and the international community must stand with Israel to prevent further escalation before it's too late. For his part, Israel's ambassador to the United Nations Danny Danon declared, "We will act. Iran will soon feel the consequences. We will retaliate very painfully." He further noted that around 10 million people were forced into bomb shelters when Iran attacked. Imagine the entire population of New York City having to seek shelter within 10 minutes: children, infants, the elderly. That's what happened in Israel, he said. Danon called on the UN Security Council to convene an emergency meeting to condemn Iran's attack. U.S. State Department spokesman Matthew Miller said Washington would coordinate with Israel to retaliate against Iran in the coming days. He did not clarify whether Iran's nuclear program would be a legitimate target for Israeli retaliation, but mentioned that the U.S. would discuss the response measures with Israel before making any public comments.